that's adorable, Emma. Oh, look at that. You got a whole lot on you. We got a whole lot. Look at him on your head. Hold your hand up a little. Hold it up. Hold your arms up a little. There you go. How's it feel, Em? How's it feel, Emma? Look towards me. Tell me how. Tell the camera how you feel. It's ticklish. Let's see your face. Look my way. There you go. You can turn your body. Turn your body this way. There we go. Oh, look at the little guy walking to you. You think he'll jump up on you? Look at that guy. He's yelling at you something. Let's see. What do you think he'll do? I think the birds might be a little tired now. Oh, did he jump off you? He's looking around. Oh no, did you see that? He just pooped on the floor. Good thing I got that on video. And he didn't poop on you, thank God. Ew. All right, put the cup down.
Can I do it one more time?
You have to get online again. Huh? Alright, come over here so we get you, Emma. Emma, back up and turn my way. Okay? Let's see if he comes. Or turn around and show him. Oh, look at the little guy. Maybe you want to kneel down. They're like, do you have any? I think he's about to come up on you. Stand still. Oh boy.